So we're going to talk about the different grip modes that the Hero Arm has. The first grip mode that we're going to start with is fist. And to start fist, I move my fingers up, bring the thumb in, I will just oppose the thumb, and close the fingers to initiate fist grip. Next one is in the same group, and this is hook. So I will hold the open muscle to bring the thumb back in, and then partially close the fingers. That's good for holding shopping and that type of thing. The next grip mode that we're going to try is tripod. And to initiate that grip mode, I just press this button once. It will bring the thumb in. And there are two modes for tripod. There's mode A, bringing the two fingers down to the thumb, and I just hold close to bring those down. And mode B, I hold the open muscle, and that will bring the fingers down to the palm. And then to change to the next grip mode, I press the button again. This will bring us into pinch grip. So we have pinch grip A, which brings the index finger down to the thumb, so great for very small items. And then pinch mode B, bringing the three fingers down to the palm, and I hold the open muscle to bring them up and down.